Hello,
Hi guys,
my name is Tatiana,
my name is Angel.
and we're the Makers HQ. Okay, so today we're doing a very simple,
Playful video.
playful video because Angel. Okay, anytime that we do anything related to lighters, it's Angel who wants to do the lighters, and we each have subjects that we both like, right? But like sometimes I'm gonna do something more, and he wants to do something more, so we try everything. And as you saw, we're doing
Like comic
inspired
theme, yeah, for the lighters. So we have, like you saw in the intro, like 4 lighters,
Yes.
4 different colors. Each one represents one of the people, like Spider-Man, in this case, the Riddler, Batman, and Black Panther.
Yes, exactly.
And we're gonna use vinyl.
Yes. So we are using the Cricut vinyl, and because it came with the Cricut space, and we weren't going to buy anything else. But of course, if you have any other type of vinyl, then feel free to use it. In the past, we used stickers that were stickers for sublimation.
Yes.
And so we had used one that had kind of like a shiny
you
of
can go
holographic.
to this video right here.
Exactly.
And you're gonna see the what we did. That was like 2 years
That
ago.
was a while ago. We did a lighter video a while ago.
Exactly.
So, and we were planning on doing another one before, but anyway, doesn't matter. Now we're doing this video. The reason that we wanted to do vinyl was because, first of all, with the Cricut, it's simpler.
Mm-hmm.
And second of all, because we wanted to use the background of each
lighter.
Exactly.
Yes.
As the color, as a main color for the theme of the comic.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
And also, like, to see like the Cricut, you can really cut, like we did the video before, or the one before that one, that you can cut like very fine lines.
Yes.
Like you can go as small as making designs for this lighter. Like I made the designs 1 centimeter, or I don't know, in inches, 1 centimeter. It's probably half an inch.
No, it's
big, even less.
Yeah.
Even less. So the Cricut just has no problem cutting that kind of designs.
Yes.
It's really awesome.
And I think that one of the major things, if you guys have used Cricut in the past, then you already like skip this part, but don't. Basically, you know that the thinner the line is, the more intricate the design is, the more you're going to have to do some weeding. And that I left for Angel to do. And so I don't know if necessarily if you want to do something that's similar, if you want to do so many of the ones that had to do with the weeding. But if you do, I mean, it's very rewarding.
Yeah, because we did the one that you just saw with the weeding. We did this. I just show it in the video. The spider web, right? So wait, it's not focusing. Why? Okay, it will at some point. And this one took a lot of time because it has a lot of tiny pieces that you have to weed. But and then the other ones are way easier. Like for example, this one, right? These are tiny panthers. Cats, panthers, and all you need to do is just remove the background, and as long as you leave your design on the carrier sheet, you're good. You have to make sure, because they are small, sometimes they get like, pulled by the background, but as long as you keep them in place, it's okay. And you need no weeding for this. Just remove the whole like extra, and that's it. That's your design.
All right, so let's just jump to the tutorial, because we're going to talk about the tips and things that we like and whatnot right away. So let's do it. Okay, so now we're back. Well, we've always been at our station, but we're closer to the station. So we wanted to let you know the steps if you're going to be making a lighter. All right. As you saw, we have to use a Cricut in order to do it. Usually in another video, I've spoken about you don't need a Cricut, but for this
tiny designs,
you need a Cricut or some type of cutting machine that will give you the designs that you want, because they're very difficult to get with
very small,
high precision. Exactly.
Tiny ones, like this.
Exactly. So we did choose 4. And the 4 are going to be the Riddler, Batman, Spider-Man, and Black Panther, as we said. Okay, so the first step is to design whatever it is that you're going to design, put it in Cricut space, put it at the size that you want, and then cut it, right? So you send it to get cut. Once you have that, you weed it if you need to weed it. In this case, we needed to weed them. This one and the spider.
Yeah, the tiny spider. We have a tiny spider here. I also made a tiny spider.
And because it's not iron-on, it's just regular vinyl, you're going to weed it and keep it on the sheet that it comes on. And so you're going to do, when you use Cricut, you're going to keep it as regular. You're not going to mirror it.
No,
okay?
You don't mirror it.
And so now we're left with these, all right? Which are basically like this.
Yes.
And for instance, like this, you can see the tiny tails, which is why I'm telling you.
It's so cute. Yeah.
You cannot do this by hand. No. You cannot do this by hand. I mean, unless you're like one of those people who's really into tiny details, then I'm saying more power to you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the carrier sheet on, and that will stick to the vinyl will stick to the carrier sheet, which we're going to show you.
Yes.
And then we'll be able to transfer that back on to the lighter.
And if you're wondering where the carrier sheet is from, it can be from like different companies. That's how you call it. Carrier sheet.
Yeah.
You can buy a sheet, you can buy a roll. It's just transparent. It's like a sticker, and it carries your design from one place to
exactly.
another. That's all it is. But it's not like if you don't have it, like you need to buy it. It's not something that comes included with the vinyl or anything. No. It's just a different thing.
You know? And this one is the one that we bought also from Cricut.
From Cricut. But I think other companies
have it. A lot of other companies have it.
So it's like this. See? You open it, you remove the background, and you stay with your transparent vinyl. Do it like this, right? You peel it off like this.
The cool thing about it is that it has these lines on it, so it kind of gives you.
And then you just put your vinyl
your way
on top. I'm sorry. So you put your vinyl like this.
It's probably easier.
Yes. Stick it on it. Make sure they have no bubbles.
So you want to remove as many bubbles as you can. You want to remove as many bubbles as you can so that you can, because when you're going to be transferring it, if you don't remove them, then you're going to see the bubbles in whatever it is that you carried it to.
Yeah. So usually, you have the design, and because it has a texture, this is impossible to remove. It's going to stay. So we're going to show you one design, how it's done, right? Like this. So now it has the carrier sheet and the design, right? So this design is going to stick to the carrier sheet. It's going to stay there, right? So as you can see, the carrier sheet is dragging the designs. It's keeping the designs on the sheet. See? Like this. So now you have your design in your carrier sheet, and that's when you place it on your whatever you're doing. In this case, the lighters, and then you peel the sticker, and the designs are supposed to stay here. Okay. To go like this, I think. I don't know if this one. Yeah.
Oh, wow. It already looks amazing.
So like this. This one, I think I have to put one side first, pull it out, and then the other side, because this one is going to come on top of my vinyl, right? So technically, I should close this part. One part only. Press it, stick it, and remove it.
They always have something to say, but today I'm saying nothing. Because it's very
So now we put this side, see? Now we put this side. If you see something like it's off, like for example, see this tiny one? It's on the other side. It's not stained, but it's okay.
We can cut it after.
Like, as you can see, this is probably your first time seeing this, as also it's our first time doing it. So it's not like it's gonna be, the first design is gonna be 100%.
Oh, this is so cool.
It's so nice. Look, okay, I'm gonna bend this one. Look how cool this looks like. Oh, it's so good. Like,
oh, I don't know why I didn't think you were going to turn around.
Good.
I love it.
Let me show you here. So look, like this, and this is like this, right? It's so cool. It's super nice, and it feels like you can feel it because it's not like you have. It's just the color of the lighter that we use as a background. Super good. We're gonna do the other ones now. There you go.
So satisfying.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the whole design is in the carrier sheet now, and this is our thing.
So we're gonna use the big side. We decided.
Yeah, the way it says big. The other one I didn't use it. I was shy, but now I'm gonna use the I'm gonna use the big side. This one. So it's supposed to be like smack it right in the middle. I'm gonna smack it like this because it has the V and the V right here. Am I too high?
Maybe you're too high.
I want the bottom here. Yeah, that's good. So right there. So as we do with the other one, we cannot close the whole thing completely because otherwise the carrier sheet is gonna overlap.
And this is stuff that you learn as you do it because I haven't done
No,
it.
you have to mess up a few times in order to understand. Like, see, so I do it this side, and I go as far as here. That's it.
And then, you can see it sticking.
Yes. So you have to go hard on this because you don't want to leave anything on your carrier. It's looking Spider-Man already.
It is.
Right? And
it's looking Spider-Man, he said.
So here, see?
Wow.
Wait, let me see. So as soon as I remove this side, I'm gonna stick this one. Look how it comes.
Oh my god, that's so fresh.
So cool, right?
Yeah, that looks like his.
I know, like he did it it himself.
Yeah, wow, that looks really fresh. I didn't even expect it to do that.
Look.
Okay, that is fresh.
That's when you know Photoshop.
Ah!
So this is how it looks from the back, right? So now you're gonna pull it from the.
Wow.
So cool. I love it.
Oh my god, so wait, it looks great.
Let's do this now. Now we're gonna put the spider right here in the middle. My spider is here. So here is my spider.
You can't really see it because it's white on white.
Let me see. I'm gonna pull her out. Yeah, see the tiny legs are coming out. She's staying on the carrier sheet.
Nice.
Oh, one of her leg a little bit like.
That's fine. We don't care.
She was jumping around too much. Wait, let me.
Do you want the tiny?
Yeah, can I have the tiny tool?
Yeah. Ding, 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 ding.
This has to be precise, like surgical almost. And you need to wear your glasses.
Anka stopped himself because he needs to wear glasses now.
You know, guys, you know what happens. So I'm trying to fix the leg a tiny bit so it doesn't look ridiculous when I transfer it.
But we all
know it's a small design. You can always try something bigger.
And we all belong to the universe. We're not perfect.
So now she's ready to be transferred too. Now the question is upside down or like this, standing like this.
I like both. And what if you were to put it on the bic? What would happen?
On the what?
On the bic.
No.
But I want to see. Just look.
Like this?
Yeah. But it doesn't look as good. Okay. So here. Or I like it this way.
Like this or like this. Like this looks like it's coming down from the ceiling, right?
Oh, so let's do it like that. I like that.
Okay, let me put her here. So you stick it. You press it. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna remove the carrier sheet. Is gonna take the other one. Yeah, no. At least I don't think it's gonna happen because the spider is very small. If you see that the spider is coming off with the carrier sheet, you keep going. You keep pressing it until it glues into it. There you go.
One more.
No, because once you take it out,
this tiny leg is
the tiny leg
tenacious.
I know it's gonna.
Wow.
Wow, I love this. Look. Mm.
You keep turning it on. I don't know why I'm surprised each time.
Look. Focus, please. Don't fail me now. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, there you go. And
looks great.
Wow, I love this. I love the tiny lighters. Those two. Oof.
Very, very cool.
We're talking about.
Exactly. So that's something that we really wanted to mention.
Exactly. We didn't copy paste.
Exactly. We didn't go and get like, you know, the Black Panthers from here.
Yeah.
And actually these Black Panthers are kind of looking kind of like bears.
They look like lazy cats.
Oh my God!
So much
work. Okay,
and you don't see it behind the camera, but I'm at all times wearing my glasses because can't see a squat with the small designs. It's too much.
It's intense.
It's intense. Yeah.
And the nice thing about this is every time we do something like this, we love it, and so it's always more fun.
I love the tiny.
And I like. Whenever you see something that has to do with intricate designs, it's always going to be
and small. I like tiny small.
I don't have the patience for it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Yes. Thank you for everybody who's been following us. Mm-hmm. We promise to be posting more and more videos because we're having a very good time and we're really enjoying it.
Yes.
And just a quick thing about that, the enjoying thing. When we were in Argentina, at one point we were not enjoying making videos anymore because we couldn't get our hands on a lot of materials. And so it was very difficult for us to continue and we didn't feel very creative. But now it was, we couldn't be like, hey, you know, we started videos, but now we hate it because that wasn't the truth. It was very specific. But now we're having fun again. I have a lot of ideas. Kevin has a lot of ideas. So thank you for being here with us. And if this video brought you any value at all,
please like and subscribe.
Exactly. Thank you for new followers. Thank you for old followers who were here with us today. And we shall see you soon. All right.
See you.